Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best engine oil flushes that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to improve your engine's performance and remove harmful sludge buildup, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the XADO Engine Oil System Cleaner with Anti-Carbon Effect, also known as the Atomex Total Flush Revitalizant. This product is a standout thanks to its advanced formula that not only cleans engine sludge and deposits, but also creates a protective barrier to enhance engine health. It's suitable for all engine types, including turbocharged engines, making it a versatile option for modern vehicles. The design is sleek and user-friendly, with a compact 250 milliliter bottle that's easy to handle. The inclusion of a revitalizant in the formula sets it apart from competitors, offering long-lasting protection that other flushes lack. XADO has built a reputation for quality over its 20 years in the industry, and this product is no exception. When it comes to performance, the XADO cleaner excels in both cleaning and protection. Users report noticeable improvements in engine smoothness and reduced wear over time. It's an excellent choice for those who want to invest in their vehicle's long-term health. However, its smaller size means it may not be as cost-effective for larger engines or frequent use. Pros include its advanced cleaning and protective features, while its higher price per milliliter and limited volume are potential cons. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best engine oil flush for your vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy driving and take care of your engines.